global keybind for the OBS replay buffer on Wayland, which normally blocks global keybinds or OBS doesn't support it or something like that. So the first thing you want to do is go into OBS over here, go to Tools, WebSocket Server Settings, and enable the WebSocket server. Then you want to generate a password and show the connect info to get that password. You can, my one here is just set to the word password, but just press generate because it's more secure. So after you've done that, you want to make a new folder anywhere you want. Mine's just in documents. This one's called tutorial, and then inside that folder you want to open a terminal, and you'll see on the website for the library we're using it says to do this. But if you run this command, you'll see that it whines about how this is an externally managed environment. So instead, what you want to do is this little command here, python 3-m venv, and then the path to the environment, which is, for me, home soli documents/tutorial. And then once it's done that, you'll see that it will generate a couple files in here, and then it will generate its own local virtual version of pip. So you just want to do bin/pip install obs ws python, which is the same command from the top, but using this local version, and then this will generate a file for that. Now, inside your root of this folder you've made, you want to create a new Python script called, let's do replay.py, and then I'm just going to open this in Visual Studio Code, but this will work in, whatever IDE or text editor you use. Then in the description you'll see there's a paste bin for this script you want to use. So it's basically set up out the box. All you have to do is change your password to your password. So for me it's just password for the sake of the tutorial, but it might be something else. Whoops. For you, depending on whatever you set it as. And after you've done that, we're basically finished. All we have to do is bind a keybind in KDE settings to run this. So go to settings, then shortcuts, and then add command. So we're going to put the path for the virtual local Python interpreter, which is /home/soli/documents/tutorial, the capital T, /tutorial/bin/python3, and then the path to your script, which is /home/soli/documents/tutorial/replay.py. Once you've added this, you just want to bind it. I'm going to set mine to F8 because it's how it is in Metal on Windows, and then press apply. And then if all was successful, you have OBS over here, you're tabbed into a different thing, you press F8, and the replay buffer is saved. Hope this helped. Bye bye.